Honey, how do I know if I'm recording?
You don't have it on, do you?
If I see red, does that mean it's on and I see time?
It's on.
Good.
Come here, here's where they shot it with a bullet. See right there? The bullet went in there, but the hood was closed. It's working.
Try to keep the picture on.
Huh?
Try to keep the picture on.
Touch it.
Oh.
See, look. See the bullet hole? There's where the bullet went in, right there. There, hold it. Stupid asses. And then the bullet went in there. Let me have the camera. I'll show you what come through the truck. You see that spot right there? The lights on it? Right there. That's where the bullet come through. And I don't know what it hit after that. It ought to hit the seat somewhere, but it doesn't look like it. Maybe that slowed it down. All right, here. All right, I got my steering column back. See, got me a key. Actually, it goes on this side. You got to bring the camera over here. Just stand back. All right, that's where it goes, up in there. That in all the way yet. All right, got one bolt started. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, I'll put that on there. I'm not sure what that does. Lots of tools. It's hot out here. All right, now we got to hook the piece under the hood. 11/16 and 5/8. Y'all come on here. Look at Grandma over there checking that one out. It's on a low light, but I think you can see what I'm up to. I go get some gloves. I think it's nasty.
What exactly are you doing now? Just anchoring it down better?
No, I'm hooking it up right here underneath the hood. Bullet hole. All right, and this goes right there. Remember these? A little shrubbery out of the way. Let's see what we gotta do to get this column out.
So when you took the last one out, you went and had the key coated. Is that what you did?
The locksmith made me a key.
How much did that cost?
$53.
It's pretty reasonable.
I don't know how to get this one out. It's bolted right there.
You'd think Ford would make them so they weren't too different.
Oh, there's a big year difference.
What year is this again?
This is 2000 and this is a 2000.
And the other one's in 1988.
Yep. Let me open the hood. I don't think I brought a 15mm. Sorry. Where that one comes apart at. Let's come apart on the inside. Look at that. Give me that. Y'all see that? Look at that dude down there. You see him licking his tongue?
Okay, I'm out.
Look at that.
Goodbye.
Where's he at? Y'all see him? Oh, his tongue. Yeah, let me get you this close up.
How big is it?
He's huge. Look at the tongue.
Okay, that's it. Goodbye. Nope.
Look, he's bringing his head out. Come on, fool. Bite the camera. I'm glad I saw that.
Why? You'd have bit you, wouldn't he? Mom,
Woo!
we gotta go home.
Woo! That's a big snake. He's trying to come out. I'm lighting your eyes, fool.
That's all I know.
Huh?
I can't close this.
All right, so today on the trucks, got the steering column out of the F800. Got a new key made, 2 keys in fact. So that one's moving along, and the F450 here, no real progress. I'll take a steering column out of that too. I thought maybe I could get a key, but I didn't. And we found a nice big old black snake for everybody to look at. All right, well, we'll be on video next time I come back in here and get the steering column out of this truck. See y'all later for now. Thanks for watching.